Well, we back
with another video. It's October 20th, 9:02, and we're up.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I'm about to smoke your butt.
Hopefully I don't lose again. No practice though, so this dude's always late to my house. Tried to text him at 5 in the morning. He was still sleeping. All right, bet. Let's get it. Ooh. Yeah, that's out of bounds.
Did you see that flash?
Yeah, that shit is super funny.
Yeah, maybe. Bro, and all I did is I took a step back because I saw a video. It's you gotta take the testosterone pills.
After what?
Ooh.
I'll take that one.
Clean it. Only ping pong.
Should I go?
Go for it. Actually, two.
Shut up.
How do you feel? Just go hit it.
Well, I'm not gonna blast it over there. I have no practice. You're not gonna bring the cart?
Yeah, I'll come get it.
That's two, right?
Yeah. No, it's gonna be three. You already?
That's three, right?
Yeah.
Where your ball go?
Well, I don't know. It's probably over there in the concrete.
Hopefully you lost that shit, bro.
Oh, there you go with your negativity, bro. You got this. Good shit.
Fucking slicing them way too crazy, bro.
It's alright, man. Ooh, I would.
That's a good one.
5. Six. You liking this one?
7, 9. How you feeling, bro?
Good.
First hole down.
9-7.
Dude, today's fucking crowded, bro. There's a bunch of people today. What the fuck?
Alright. So just
The dudes in front of us are just lagging. For sure, they think they're gonna make the PGA relax or not. Hater shit, huh?
yeah, shit. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that was a cherry ass hit. Good shit.
On the green. Go, 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 go. Come on, guys.
Wow, my hands
Don't
are
forget your tees.
Huh? My hands are all slippery. Is that considered cheating?
What?
When you put the tee?
Nah, a lot of people do it, dude. That's why I started doing it.
Oh, my hands are hella slippery.
I like that.
Look at that shit.
I like that. Oh, that's a good shot, dude. It's a good shot. Let's get it.
And you landed on green?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to do better or what?
Nah, it was a good shot from the golf gods. Yeah. Hopefully you overshoot it, bro. Oh, that was good. Oh, Dude, that's killer, dude. Hey, let me kill mine because I'm the furthest. Well, let me do mine. Toma. Alright, bet. Four? Oh! Oh, that was killer.
Kill it, bro. You had to kill it.
What did I say? I didn't say shit.
Four. Go for it. Four. Hold on. Two?
That was my two, right? Damn! I did it way too high. You got four, right?
Yeah, yours is gonna be 4-2.
Wait, what?
Vale, that's 3.
Haters for that.
Oh. Fuck, look, why'd you get it like that?
I don't know. I seen it on YouTube. I'm trying something. Stop being a hater, bro. What, bro? Just don't look at me. Dude.
I'm recording you, fucking. That's gonna be 5. 5.
4, 5.
Yeah. Woo!
I hit the fucking dirt, wait.
You gonna take it or not?
Yeah, I'll take it.
You need every point you can get. Or
Just fucked up.
what are you talking to like that, homie? Squirrel, fool, squirrel, squirrel, fool.
I'm gonna get fucked up. Hopefully you fuck up, bro. Just hit it. Don't be a pussy.
Así da, güey. Así mero.
Love that.
Yep. Up. Step out. Bring up. Oh, madre.
Same shit where I'm at. Shut your weak ass up, boy.
Woo!
Dude, if those motherfuckers weren't there, I would have got that shit.
And the tree keeps on giving. You gonna hit again or you gonna let me hit?
Where's your box?
I don't know. I gotta go find it. All right, let's go. Let's go so you can hit. Are these fools coming? You gotta hit then.
Dude, if I wouldn't have hit the tree, I would have gotten hella far, dude.
You shouldn't have hit the tree.
Well, you didn't see it went. It went through
I found my ball. Woo! That was clean. That had a little air to it. Yeah.
That's 3.
It's 3. All right.
How you feeling? You're hitting the top, fool.
It's because those fools got me nervous. Oh, this is yours. All right,
Cool.
I'm gonna use
We
it.
got the people behind us
I'm
already.
gonna use Nate. Let's go over there. Let's go. Do that fool. Drive, homie.
Dude, that's 4 way.
What are you talking about? There's gonna be 3. That was
I
2,
thought you touched the
3.
ball.
This is 3. No, I did not touch the ball. Look at the replay, homie. You're trying to sabotage my game. This is 3 right here.
Where'd it go?
Over there.
Was that a real hit or was that a...
5.
Slice it. Slice it. That's good.
Nice.
Green, bro.
Good shit.
So that's 6. Hopefully you slice, bro.
Silence on deck. See what I mean? Silence on deck. You showed me fucking pushes from last time.
But what are you talking about, bro?
I'm gonna keep adding them, bro. You're gonna pay your dues. Silence on deck.
How do you feel?
I feel good, homie. I feel like you owe me some push-ups. Last time.
Bro, relax, por favor. Push it, get the fuck up. Slow down, baby. So that's what, 5?
That's 6.
Well, you're a hater, bro. Shut up.
Seven.
All right, shut your weak ass up, bro.
8.
7. What
That
the
was
fuck?
8.
That was 7, fool. That was
Run
6.
it back. Run it
7.
back. Run it back.
All right, 8.
Run it back. Run it back, homie.
Cause I was at 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, 8. You're right. You're right.
I'm at 5, wait.
Yeah, that's why you're gonna be at 8. Shut up.
Silence on deck. If I make it from here, ya sabes qué eres, güey. Golf Foos for life, homie.
Whoa! Oh! 7.
Silence on deck. Ooh, your putter's fucking cherry, bro. I want one.
Oh, 6.
Woo!
I'm about to take one.
You gonna take one? You gonna do another one?
Cause those ones are coming down, like.
All right.
This is 3. Bro, I feel sad because of that one, bro.
It's all right.
Or should I not take it?
Up to you. Woo! Where's that one at? I don't even know where it landed.
Right here.
So you got it? You're good with that one?
Yeah.
So you're gonna be at 3 weight.
Yeah, I'm gonna be at 3. Yeah. It's because those was already coming, so.
Who's coming?
Bro, put 0.5. Zoom out.
It's because you want them all. Sometimes you need angles to go in, bro.
It's because, look, go shoot first because this was almost done, G. Es que estos güeyes me estresan. They're hella in a hurry. ¿Serio?
I hate password.
Hurry up, Flex. Hurry up.
Like this.
Go.
That's the other fairway.
Yeah, alright, I'm taking it.
Fuck it. Woo! That was a good ball.
That's 4.
Yes, sir. How do you feel about that one?
First, I took a point.
Let's go find my ball.
Oh.
I got it on a 3, so that's good.
4.
What? It's gonna be 3.
But you took one. Shut you, look at you, you little cheater ass fool. Shut up. Shut up.
I didn't realize.
Look at this guy. What I have to deal with.
I admit it.
You cheater.
I bet you my ball's like over here, wait. And you're just eager.
There has to be a timer. I bet you there's a timer to find your ball.
The whole world do a timer. Okay, that's 4. This is gonna be 4, wait.
Yeah.
I'm not using this shit. I'm using a wedge.
Five.
Wanna come back?
Yeah. No hater. I don't want to hate, because
That's 6 right there?
mm.
That's 5.
That's the green.
No, that's what you get for laughing at me, homie.
Oh shit.
You didn't record that, huh?
Yeah.
That's what you do when you're being lazy. Watch it with the dirt. It'll be 5.
Sick.
See, guys? See what he does? Silence on deck.
Ooh, I like that.
Hey, he...
7.
Let me kill it.
The 7?
Yep.
Ooh, I hit it way too far.
8.
I want to slam this shit on the floor, bro.
8.
Alright, shut up.
Is that you don't like it all? Now stop doing it to me. 9. 10.
9, full relax. Por favor. Oh, I want to hit you in the head right now, bro. So it's 10, right?
Yep.
10. You're at 6, shut up. You ain't gonna make it.
Silence on deck. You know what you're doing. Silence on deck. 6.
Damn. How do you feel about that one?
6. 7. Silence on deck.
8. That would be 8, right?
Silence on deck. 8.
No, I'm just trying to know numbers, fool.
8. Silence on deck. You talked.
I'm trying to know numbers, though, fool. You can't do it as fast.
Silence on deck.
Let's do it when you're about to put.
Silence on deck.
Yes! 9.
Silence on deck. 9.
10-10. It's because you're using the strategy of throwing me off the game.
How? I'm not doing. I'm quiet.
25 push-ups. You want me 50
I'm
from
quiet. Fool, shut up.
50 from last time?
Shut up. 10-10, boy.
50 from last time and 25 now.
Bro, look, they're already on green, fool. There's another. You, I was texting you at 5.
Hurry up, post up, güey. Hasta acá, güey, acá.
Oh, they're already almost finished, bro. You're fucking up right now, G. You lose all my tees, bro.
You do. You lost the first one and the first. But they're technically your teeth. It's right here, güey. Hey, they do. They're still getting.
No, that's the other couple, fool.
Look where the thing is. Not over there yet. Worrying about ourselves, me. Worrying about other people, dog. This one's for you, homie. Step out.
Slice.
Damn. See what I mean? See what I mean? I'll take it.
I didn't do shit.
Let's see how you do.
What did I say?
Oh, nice.
This is our best hole, guys.
It's alright. I ain't taking a point. I can still make it. I got the power, doggy. I ain't tripping. I ain't let you throwing me off my game.
Honestly, we're pretty bad at how we started. Like, when we started, it was pretty horrible. Patita?
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Let's go.
How does that feel? Did you like that or no? Did you like that? See what I mean, man? You threw me off my game. Nah, you didn't say silence. You didn't say silence on deck.
I like the
Did you?
pressure.
Did you like?
I like the pressure.
If you say silence on deck.
No, I like the pressure, fool. Now we're doing that. I like the pressure. I like the pressure. No, I like that pressure now. I like that pressure. Right here. That's right here. Here. Well, I gotta make it over the ghost tees.
Say silence on deck, alright?
No, fool, I like that pressure. We're gonna talk shit now.
No.
Yes, fool.
Take a walk. Lonely. I am so lonely. I ain't got nobody. Bro, that's how you've been doing the last few strokes, mate. Bro, it's in the video. You'll see it later. Alright, silence on deck.
No. I like the shit talking, bro. No, just know I'm gonna go to you. I hate the 3-wood, bro. Where's yours at?
You want to make the rules up?
Huh?
You want to make the rules after this game?
What? What do you mean?
Some rules. We gotta set some rules.
No. I love the shit talk. There's no silence on deck. All right, bet. Bet, go. Go.
Silence on deck.
That was good, fool. That was good. That was good.
You ain't throwing me off my game, doggy.
No, I'm not. Oh, my bad. You're a fucking cheater. Bro, you throw me off my game crazy.
What did I do? I didn't say shit. Bro.
I hit that shit in the top. You just threw off my whole game, man. Serio.
You're gonna blame this me.
Yes, fool.
You're gonna blame this shit on me.
Go.
25, that's 100.
Who gives a fuck?
Hey, bro.
Just
You already did it to me twice. Like, I've been quiet the last.
Alright, hurry up, fool. I didn't even say shit, bro. That's 3. That's 4.
You're at 6.
No, yeah, I'm on 5.
Look back to
Oh, okay, 6. Fuck it.
this game right here, this
All right.
fucked up. The next one we're gonna start. I already accepted it with. Just so you get your frustration.
Alright, I'm done for talking shit. I'm done talking shit.
5, right? 5. Fuck you, Bert.
Fuck you. How you feeling, bud? You sure? Feeling good?
Now I know what this one does.
Slices it. Here, because they're already behind us. We're talking too much shit.
So 6, 7.
Off,
6, 7.
Can't be an 8. Please don't fall in your bottle.
Might as well hit it. Might as well hit it. Go for it. Mine's over there.
Where?
Yours is there, mine's over there. In the other favorite.
This is 8, right?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Nice. That was your best shot yet.
Honestly.
You can be a 9.
Yeah, you're
6.
7, fool.
6. Because I was 6, you were 7 back there.
Oh, so I'm at 8.
You're 9. You
No.
said it in the video.
There, you're at 6.
Yes, I'm a 6.
What do you miss, bro?
I don't come back. 6. I'm green, baby.
8.
6, 7. Hands on deck. One, two, three, twice.
Whatever, bro. Cheater.
Look back at it. If I lie, that's 2 points for me. If I lied, I'm saying this is 8.
Alright.
If I lied and it's not 8, that's 2 points.
Oh.
Alright, time on deck.
Cheater.
That's 25 way. Time on deck.
It's 8. It's 8. Shut up.
No, 9, and you're a 9.
Oh, they're already coming from the mama.
9 right here. Time on deck.
Oh.
10 right here.
That was really good, bro. That shit like. It,
10 right here.
11.
11 right here, silence on deck. You're 9. Like this way.
Okay, you made it at 12, right?
11.
So this is 10.
$11. 11. Fucking cheater. Look at the smile of that cheater.
Oh, woodpecker. I've never seen one way. We're here in the tree.
Alright, ready? Silence on deck. I'll take it. I don't care. I'm taking a point.
I'll take it.
Ha! You're gonna take more yards?
What the fuck? I'm close.
But look at the other one. Where the other one's at.
No.
So you're technically passing it.
What the? Dude, that's cheating, bro.
Well, I did it from behind because I went off of the left one.
I didn't see that, bro.
Ooh, that was cherry ass shot. Good shit, wait. You feel good?
Call me daddy, bro.
Son.
Call me daddy.
What's up, son? There you go. Don't worry. He's gonna do 11. What is this?
A long shot.
Nah, this would have been cherry, but I don't know. Nice, beautiful. That's good shit. Okay. How do you feel?
That's 3.
Mm-hmm. Mine's gonna be 3 here too.
4.
There you go. I didn't say shit, but 4.
Oh, look, this blue ball. Let me have it. That one's nice. I want it. Ooh, that one's fresh.
Oh, this is my ball.
Let me see.
Last time, wait.
Ooh,
Look it up. Wait, take a picture so we know what brand it is.
it's fresh.
Can you record it?
Yeah.
Oh, where's my volley?
It's right here in the bush, man.
You think I'm gonna take a point now? We can't.
Nah, no mames, man.
Rock, paper, scissors, hurry up.
All right, nah. Well, you're saying no. If that happens to me, I'm gonna take stuff off.
50-50.
Nah. Just take some off. Who cares?
I don't know, bitch.
All right.
Just know that if you take shit off, you're a bitch. That'll trigger you.
Yeah, the ball already moved.
Silence on
Oh,
deck.
my bad. I seen the ball move. That's why.
Silence on deck.
Oh, that's pretty good, fool. 4. Bro, I didn't even say shit. I was quiet, dude. Shut your mouth, bro. What are you gonna use?
4 seconds on deck.
That's a shot, bro.
You want to count that as a shot?
Not talking shit.
You're wrong. What you counting? Am I counting or not?
No, fool, I'm just joking. Five. Oh, that's really good, dude. Oh, that's really good, dude.
Nice. Got 4.
4. Here, don't forget that one, too.
It's yours.
There's 4.
Mm-hmm.
Good shot. 4.
Woo!
4.
That's good. That was a good ass shot. 4.
Let's do it.
Dash!
Oh, you're gonna give me about.
Let's get this, fool.
Back on deck. 6. Back on deck.
You can only do that shit when you're on the ball, fool.
Silence on
No,
deck.
like when you're about to hit, say no. Like when you're about to hit, say silence on deck. Not way before.
You're throwing this on like.
No.
My game.
No, I'm not, fool. It's what about I say like, hey, stretch me out or something. All right. That's good, bro. Ooh! Damn, that was really good.
Back on deck. 8. 8-4. I'll catch up on the
Ooh, that was nice.
That was a good shot.
On
Sorry.
green.
That was 2. That wasn't on green.
That's on green.
Was it?
Yeah, that's on green.
Good shit.
We're at 2-2 with or
2-3.
You're a 3. I'm gonna be a 3.
Bro. Oh, that's really good, dude. I didn't see where it went. Well, you're gonna have to take a shot.
Oh, I shot with the 9 minute. Nice. That was a beautiful shot.
Man, that was a good shot, bro. Man, they're looking for their ball. Just know we took their ball.
Who took it?
I mean, I didn't take the ball. Hyro's like,
No,
that's
you
your
did.
ball.
You did take it.
I did, but
You
y'all
said-
like, that's your ball. That's your ball. I was like, no, dude, my ball's over there.
Why'd you take
So
it?
I just ended up taking it because you said that was my ball. So I just took it. Now they're just looking for
So if I tell you that's your shit, you're gonna go pick up and take the shit?
They're like 5, like, they've been there for 10 minutes looking for it.
So if I say either that's your shit, pick up your shit, you're gonna pick it up?
Yeah.
Think you have to my phone.
That's pretty good.
Look at this guy. Look at him.
What? 2.
Shut
This
up.
is my 3rd shot.
I like your hat, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's 4. Thank you. 4. Look. I'm gonna do the measurement right on the dot. Right on the money.
This guy's cheating? Comment below. Comment below, guys. Is this guy cheating?
What is this, a white steak?
Oh, that's what the dude said.
Oh, the ball's right there.
All right, bro. Oh, dude, that was a lucky shot.
That's not a lucky shot. Shot just.
Go grab the ball.
Alright, let's go.
No, go grab the ball.
Nah, it's in there, like, way up there.
Oh.
Fuck the ball.
Oh, let me kill it. Let me kill mine.
I'm on 5.
Let me kill mine.
Oh, you're gonna suck.
I'm
though.
closer. Fool, shut up. You're right here. So this is 3, right?
No, that's 4.
Nothing. So this is 4, right?
5. Nice. 5.
So you're at 4? No, you're at 5.
I'm a 5.
4, 5.
Yeah.
Bro, don't breathe all hard, bro.
I don't keep talking when I hit. Shut up.
I gotta go like this so they won't hear my breathing. In the background, I'm like...
Shut up. See what you're doing every time I hit.
No, bro, well, get ready and then say that shit. Five, 6, that's 6. That's 6, right?
Yes.
All right.
I know where I'm at.
Huh?
I know where I'm at. 6. 7 Sunday. 6.
5, 6.
I'm gonna do that to you.
Shut up,
I'm gonna
fool!
do that to you, eh?
Shut up!
I'm gonna do that to you every time you hit.
Oh, why'd you leave the card all the way back there?
Don't worry about what I do. Worry about what you do. Worry
Why
that
y'all mad right now? Guys.
let's write it down, Ray. We're gonna make a rule. Who writes down? The driver, which he should be driving, or the passenger?
The driver.
No, it's you.
How?
You should write it down.
You're the princess bitch today, fool.
Dude, if I beat you,
New nickname alert, princess bitch.
just know that if I beat you, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be jumping and
I'm
enjoying.
not even like trying to make fun of you that you're losing right now, bro.
What are you doing then?
I'm just talking shit, bro.
Well, tienes cara de ping-pong, güey, la neta, güey. Even when the way you drink water, güey, you're mamalón, güey.
Look, even how you chew, bro, you chew like a fucking cow. Why do your jaw go side to side, bro?
Alright,
That's
so
weird.
5. Ping-pong has 5. How many did they get? 6?
Yeah.
6 or 7?
7, 6,
6 or 7?
6.
4, 5, 6. It was 6, homie.
That's what I just fucking said.
Well, you keep saying 7. Just say 6.
Trying to mind fuck you. Let's go.
Were you
Laughing
laughing at me
shots.
when, were you laughing when mine went in the pit? Ya sabes qué eres, güey. No he tenido que mencionar otra vez, güey. He is unbothered. Cherry! Hasta que te ponen las pilas. ¿Ya ves? La diferencia bien calladito así, pero cuando me dicen cosas, ¿verdad?
No.
Yo, bitch, güey.
Bring the sandwich.
Don't tell me what to do. Bitch ass dude.
Third shot.
That's 4 right there.
What the fuck? That was 1, 2, 3. That was my second shot, fool.
1, 2.
So we count that as a shot? Hard. So this is 5. Shut the fuck up. 5.
Fucking cheater ass, dude.
What? That was 5?
Oh, we count those? We count those?
I was talking shit. Let me relax.
For real, dog.
Yeah, bro, for real, dog.
Shut up, I was quiet the whole time.
I don't give a fuck if you're quiet, homie. Fuck your
There
feelings.
There you go, throwing off my game again.
Alright, my bad. What about that? This is a
This is 2 right
Pow Pow Nike.
here. 2. Shut up. Silent from there.
3?
I know where I'm at. Shut up. I'm gonna do that to you, way. I'm not mad,
bro.
dude. I got like how many? What hole is this?
This is 8.
Okay, 9. You got 9 more.
Yeah. I'm not saying I'm winning, bro.
You are.
No, I'm not, bro.
Alright. I'm at 5. 2.
I made it at 5.
5. Silence on deck.
Too much power. Oh, that's good, G. Come on, baby, come back.
What was your number?
5.
I ain't worried about you. Shut up, wait. 6.
Oh, that's really good, G. Oh, yes.
7.
Oh, 8. 8.
8. And how many you had?
5.
You didn't have 5.
Oh, you're a hater ass
Yeah.
fool. What do you... Chat, come on. What's up with this dude?
Check.
This is a cheater.
Check,
So I
check.
had 6.
I don't know. Let's find out.
You're a hater, bro. I had 5. Relax.
I wanna
You'll
find
get
out.
socked, bro. You'll get socked right now.
Hey, we are not talking this game, right?
Sorry. That's what you made me laugh while you were stretching with. Sorry, go ahead.
You're going first, or
I'm gonna close my eyes, bro. Oh, I like that.
Stop stressing me out right now.
You're gonna fucking slice that shit. You always slice it.
Let's go.
See what I'm telling you, doggy? It's over there, way on the other fair.
Where?
In the other, behind that big ass tree.
I'm behind that tree.
The big one.
Let's go.
How do you feel?
Feel good.
You don't feel like a bitch? Oh, wait.
Where's that?
Watch it, because they're teeing off.
I know.
It's behind a tree over there. Where's mine at, first of all?
Yours?
This one. Just go that way. Yours is behind this tree over here. That big tree right here. But watch it, because they're teeing off over there. That's yours. Go that way, go that way. It's teeing off.
They can wait, bro. La verga. All right. Wait, did you fart away? You farted, huh? You farted. I heard a little. I heard. Did you fart?
No,
You're lying, bro. I heard a little.
He's just. Huh?
You're the one that's doing bad. This is 5.
Yeah.
This is 5 away.
I know.
Just want to make sure you know it's 5. Nice. That was a good shot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yours is right there. That's what, 3?
Yeah.
And then you're going to slash it to the house?
That's all right. You're at 6. Yeah, I don't want you talking because at the end,
Fort, bro.
At the end is when you're gonna start talking. You're gonna throw me out of my game. Güey. Te vas a callar la boca, güey. Maybe 3.
All right.
Can I come back?
4. Why you gotta be so negative, bro? I'm never negative. Where's your bot? Why are you mad? Look at this guy, he's mad. Oh, bro, you're messing up my silence, bro.
¿Por qué no te callas, güey?
I didn't even say shit because of the... That's 5. Red steak. Dude, we need a gimbal, we. My hand's hurting.
Leave it on.
5.
Six. Yeah. What club are you using?
No.
Bro, this guy's hella tense right now. Here, let me go hit mine.
Hey, what kind of shoes are those?
Huh?
What kind of shoes are those?
New Balance? You like them?
No, I don't like them. Oh yeah, with that golf club, there's gonna be 7 already.
Wait, this is 5.
That's gonna be 7.
I know.
Seven. ¿Cuántos tenía yo?
You're at 7. You're at 7. So.
Ah, cabrón. You're at 8. I'm at 7, you're at 8.
I know.
Ya cállate, güey. Don't say anything.
I know, I'm not, bro. How you feeling right now?
Cállate. Fucking bird, eh?
That's 8. That's 8. 9. 10. We're tired, homie.
No, we're not.
We're doing the dare from 2 weeks ago that I lost.
Oh, that's
disgusting. So it's gonna be next 3 items from your fridge, and the homie Pimpon chose milk.
Soy sauce.
The only thing, it better not be spoiled, bro.
It's not.
Okay.
What would be spoiled in this?
Milk, I do not like.
This kid drinks milk twice a day.
No, I know, but it's just, I've done it to where it's
So
like,
these are the 3 right here.
ah.
And then more milk.
Dude, you
More
like,
soy sauce.
no, man, you put a bunch of hot
I
sauce.
didn't. I put a little bit.
It is what it is, homie. All right.
Damn, that's disgusting, fool.
She said you should have put
I already picked a 3. I already picked a 3.
You should have put apple cider vinegar.
Who's that?
Oh, her friend.
Milk?
You're gonna throw up,
Watch out,
fool.
watch out,
Hot sauce.
watch out,
You want some?
You get up in the seat.
Yeah, he wants some.
You get. Ugh.
Oh my god.
Ugh. Let me see.
I can smell the soy sauce, bro.
That's nasty,
Give him the
dude.
bag
I just know you're gonna get taste though.
That's
Give
fine.
him the bag open.
No, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be spicy.
It wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad?
Oh, you laughing at me?
Is it spicy?
No.
Yet?
I didn't put too much spice. All right, next week. Next week we got the weenie challenge, and I gotta get taste next week.
It's starting to creep in. You want me to do it right now?
Nah, next week. So we can do it Baker.
I have hot links.
Nah, so we can do it next week with Baker. All right, guys.
That was a day. It was
Later.
mixed weekends and the.
That's
Look at you,
nasty,
Miss
bro.
No.
You gotta put your tongue in there. You gotta put your tongue in there.
You remember?
Nah,
when
I'm
I
just
played
joking. I'm joking, fool.
I'm not.
No, my mess. I was just
You're
joking.
gonna go there too.